to WABY. Here's a quick update on the weather forecast for today, with people calling it the storm of the year, as we all try to stand together against this heck of a blizzard. Unfortunately, we'll probably be expecting another 10 to 12 inches of snow and possible sleet within the next 24 hours. We're also looking at high 50s and possibly even as much as 70-mile-per-hour winds ahead of us. Places like Bangor and Exeter should consider finding shelter if their houses are not sufficiently prepared for what's to come. Further updates and more only on WABI.
So, heard that your parents aren't in town this weekend.
Yeah, they're on vacation right now.
That's good, that's good. So, you have the house all to yourself?
Yeah, the house is ours. My dog's kind of a bitch, though. It's lots of fun.
You got any drinks?
Yeah, we can check the cellar.
Woo!
I mean, sure, we can get something started.
Yeah, my dad definitely really likes whiskey. Peanut butter whiskey, actually.
Peanut butter?
Yeah, he drinks it all the time.
A little strange, but, you know, whatever, you know, it works. Is there anything else that we should be, you know, worried about? Anything that you've been hearing
I've been
recently?
hearing some, like, kind of fucked up noises from the attic, but, I mean, I'm not really too worried about it. It's just kind of an old house.
When was the last time you went up there?
I actually can't remember the last time I have been up there, so we can check it out, probably.
Alright.
Girls.
I don't know about that one.
What are y'all not like girls?
No, that's not it, Oliver.
Oh, no. What do you want?
Okay. Do you know any bitches?
Of course I do. I'm the one that brought it up. Damn.
So you got this whole plan, Oliver.
Yeah, I got a whole.
Start messaging them. Start getting in contact with them.
Okay, maybe I don't. Whatever.
Yeah, dude, you don't got any bitches.
Is this the place?
Yeah, this is it.
Alright.
Good old 55 Starbound Avenue.
It's a fucking school.
I mean, it's not that scary, Oliver.
Whatever.
I'm sure the lights aren't on, but it's whatever. Okay, let's get out, guys.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah, that's not a normal thing.
It's just windy out.
Man, it's not scary. It's fucking scary.
Alright, come on, Oliver, let's go upstairs.
Just go.
Oh my god, okay. It's probably nothing. Shit. We gotta go! Fucking, we gotta go, dude!
Oliver's shaking and shit, right?
Dude, Oliver, what's fucking going on, dude? Stop playing around. What do you see? What the fuck? Dude. Shit, go. Start the car. Just start the fucking car.
It's not starting, dude.
Just follow me. To the barn. Let's go. Shit. Holy shit, is that Oliver? Come on, dude, we gotta get him down. Come on. Let's go. Oh shit! Fuck.
And still to come, what is the new white tea trend that has parents so concerned and why it should concern you? Up next, so stay tuned.